Oh my gosh.
You have any other brothers and sisters in there, buddy? We're at this house to investigate a situation with a fox living under a deck. Let's get started. Look at this. Look at this little guy. Never seen one this young before.
Oh my god.
You should put him in a bag and let's go after the other ones. Number 2. Hey buddy. Look at you.
Got that flashlight?
Yes.
Yeah, I see 2 more.
Number 3.
Oh, he's coming.
We just had to grab these 3 guys so fast. Instead of juggling the camera and 3 little guys. And that's where they were in there. Just gonna continue to look for some more. We think there might be one more. Oh, we saw one go in behind there. And we're pretty sure this is the last one.
You got him?
No nasty guy. He bit me. We gotcha. Finally. Number 7. We've got all the babies in the bag. We're going to put the babies in our heated release box. The vixen, or the female, she'll be back to pick up the babies one by one and move them off to another den site that she already has set up. These are the most adorable animals I've ever removed. That is a box of baby fox. Zzz. One by one, she's been taking them across the street and probably putting them in a temporary location. Literally less than 5 minutes, she has come back and taken all 7 babies. She has her babies in a safe place, and job complete.